Hey, my friends, it's been a long time and I decided to make a spontaneous video. I actually had a situation right now because somebody sent me some money, some transfer, and there's some new systems. And this system is an amazing project. It's called Kirobo, and it actually helps to prevent human error. So anyhow, since they've sent me like the money through Kirobo, which works on top of MetaMask, I thought that I just make a video because I wasn't making enough videos. I was really busy, guys. I'm so busy with bonus that this is my full focus, but I want to make videos. I get requests for videos, and now I think I just make videos on the fly, spontaneous, whenever something new comes, because some of you guys appreciate it, and only the requests, they motivate me. So guys, it's been many months. So now let's go straight to the action. So yeah, that's another Sheikh Mende, and so let's go to Kirobo. So basically, I will go a little bit deeper also. So basically, I'm logged in my Kirobo. So as you guys see, I'm already here I'm logged in. That's actually the website andu.kirobo.me, and I received the ETH transaction. So now the ETH transaction is here, as you can see. And now, guys, you see this transaction is not in my MetaMask yet. So 1 second, this is my MetaMask. This is one of them, you know, so I don't really have so much here. But as you see, it did not arrive. But in the transaction which was sent, this is sent from my side, and these are pending transfers. So this transaction is actually sent, and I have to confirm it. And now, in order to collect it, I need to basically write a password. You see? So enter password. Without the password, I can't collect. So obviously, I have the password. And you see, if this would be sent in a wrong way or to a wrong wallet, the person couldn't even put the password, so automatically the sender can send it back. Because as I've seen in the statistics, let me show you here the statistics. So this is the white paper of Kirobo, how it works. Undo button, you see, it's all explained. It's amazing. I love it. This really prevents human error. Also, we'll do a partnership with Kirobo for bonus. And they did all the studies, and bonus is a project which is very easy, which should be extremely easy for people, you know, to use. So they shouldn't make a mistake, because all the people from bonus also, they come like from the mainstream. They just see the celebrity on social media. So I don't want them to like make a mistake and send something and lose money. So Kirobo hopefully will add value there in the future, and I believe every wallet should integrate this kind of API or technology of them and partner with Kirobo. That's amazing. So my friends, blockchain is not human proof. Some statistic, 28% was lost forever. 79% fear sending money. Look how big the statistic of fears. It's too much. 57% lost or nearly lost money as a result of a mistake. Wow, 1,500 bitcoins lost every day. How much is this? This is an insane amount of money. Let's calculate this really quick. 1,500 bitcoins per day. Holy moly. 1,500 times, let's say 60,000. What can this be? Wow, $90 million per day. So this is per month then. Holy shit, 2.7 billion per month. Okay, this is very crazy, guys, but this might be the reality because facts don't lie, right? Especially at this high prices. So how much money would be lost, and it's crazy. Anyhow, let's use the product. So I am always excited about functionality and when things work, the utility. So I just pasted the product. Now I click on collect because I'm logged in already with my MetaMask, and the pending transfer, it's also ready sitting there for me. So this is just perfect. And since it's sitting there, it's already like ready for me to take with the right password. So now I put the password, and now in my MetaMask, which I have 1.23, I mean, since it's Ethereum, it should be a bit slower. I should now have like, I don't know, like, yeah, 13. Wow. So the money arrived super fast. This is really amazing. I'm surprised. Like, really well done. Well done. So I'm happy that I could show you this thing. So that's the pending. So this is probably the future of how prevent errors, or when people make a deal and let's say somebody wants to intercept something, he can't really do it because the password is needed to unlock, and the password can only be given from one owner to another owner. So that's really beautiful. This is nothing paid. This is a very natural video. So I'm just pointing some facts. So Kirobo lost some. Let's see quickly the prices. The last week, let's see, 180. I'm never really checking this. I have no idea. But I know when they went live and things started working, they were growing. So the token price is at 63, all-time high. Yeah, nice. Now it's at 35. So it's like in the middle. So I believe once Kirobo will go into more, once Kirobo will have more use cases and will be more applied, probably, well, I see definitely future in the product. I believe that's also very good for banks when they go into crypto, because errors should never happen. There should be no errors, and people should not be punished with losing their money, their hard worked or hard traded or hard earned crypto by making a mistake. And since there are so many newbies, and since we've seen this statistics here, like, this just makes totally sense. All right, my dear friends, and thank you that you are here. Thanks for watching. If you like it, like the channel. If you like to follow me, follow, no problem. Tell your friends. All support is welcome. And yeah, I will see you guys shortly. Stay tuned on bonus, and let me know if you want more videos from me and if this is acceptable. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oops. Oops. So guys, the outro is missing, the real outro. No problem. We'll end it here. Peace. Oh boy, the real outro. So let's make the outro manually. This is the outro. All right, I remember that in the last 15 seconds it comes like, no, let's put the arms. Yeah, now we are in the good. Oh, it's not easy. Okay, 15, 10. Choose your next video. Peace, love you.